The recent 3-volume work, Cyprus, the Book of Maps, published by the Sylvia Ioannou Foundation and compiled by Ashley Bainton Williams, is a useful tool for identifying maps of Cyprus. Searching Cyprus Insula. Episode 2. Distinguishing Variations of Maps. One of the most difficult and time-consuming tasks is dating and identifying a loose map. That is, a map that has been removed from the book in which it was published. It is very important for collectors and antiquarians that they know the source and therefore the rarity of the map. The value of the map may vary tremendously depending on which edition of the book it comes from. For example, we know that Tomaso Porcacchi's map of Cyprus can be found in 2 versions or states in 6 different editions of the book. But how can we tell from which edition of his work, L'isola più famosa del mondo, the map comes from, if it is a loose map? As we can see from the description of Porcacchi's map in Cyprus, the Book of Maps, the first state of the map appeared in 1572 and can be found in 5 editions of Porcacchi's work. The second state of the map in 1 edition only. Details matter when it comes to tracing a map. Let's have a closer look. The plate of the second version of the map has been heavily re-engraved. This is most evident on the decorative features, for example, the crude, heavy lines used for the outlines of the walls of Kyrines, Nicosia, and Famagusta. The 2 sea monsters. The seahorse and the coastline, while the more delicate shading has faded away. The wings of the figure at the head of the title cartouche now have linear hatching. The scroll at the bottom right has the hatching running upwards to the left, whereas in the first state it runs upwards to the right. If this is the case, then we can tell that the second state of the map comes from the 1686 edition of L'isola più famosa del mondo, whereas the other 5 editions all contain the first state.